Okay guys, anyone with a John Deere tractor knows that the plastic hood's going to break, cause problems. So on this tractor, I was lucky enough to have a scrap Craftsman laying around, so I just cut the front frame off of it. I cut this right here. Actually, I had to shorten the John Deere frame to fit the Craftsman mounting point. But now I have another John Deere tractor with no hood, but I don't have the frame this time. But I did buy a hood that I'm working on cleaning up. So for my John Deere, the other one I have, it's about 12.5 inches. So that's what I got marked out here. 12.5 inches to this mark. So I was lucky enough that I could just come up here with my steel and just mark it. But not all of you guys are gonna be that fortunate. So if you guys browse around Marketplace and find someone selling a hood and are interested in making a bracket for your tractor, here's what we need to know. So my new tractor, my new hood, the brackets still line up in the same points as this hood. So what you need to do is measure how far apart they are. So in my case, center to center is going to be 9 inches. Now from this edge back is 1.5 inches. Hard to do one hand. Okay, so 1.5 inches back. Maybe closer to 1 5/8 inches. And then down it's 3/4 of an inch. So 9 inches on center, 1.5 inches, 3/4 of an inch. Now they have a solid round bar in there that it pivots on. And that size is that size. We'll break that down in fraction in a second. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get my angle grinder. We're going to cut here, cut it out. It's my 12.5 inches. And then we're going to cut down and forward to that point on both sides. And then I'll have my front mounting point ready to put a round bar in to weld as the pivot point for the hood. So I got my holes cut out with my angle grinder. I used the cutoff wheel, and then I put a grinding bit on my my Dremel, just kind of smooth out the corners. So I have my 3/8 rod. So I'm going to cut this to size. I'm just going to weld this in. And here's the hood latch. So we're going to put that in. gonna fit right in there, lock right in. So now I'm going to cut my round bar to size, weld it in, and then we'll get ready to size it up on the tractor. Alright, so weld it up. Still a little. Alright, so that's gonna be the top, this is gonna be the front. Perfect. Alright, so here's the tractor I'm working on, LT155. No hood, here's what's left of it. And here's my new to me Craftsman hood that I painted up to get ready for this. So let's go over what we have to do next. Okay, so what I like to do first is line up where I want my hood to sit. And then we're going to look at where this is. Now we're going to have to cut the frame some and get rid of this black stuff real quick. The shroud. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so I put my actual bracket on here, and I'm going to try to stand it up. See if I can find a place for you on my leg or something. Here we go. Okay. Should have brought a pencil, I guess. Now you're thinking about it, I think what I might do is just weld my bracket right on top of that frame, just like it's sitting. On my last one I cut the front of the frame off and welded that in place. I think it'll sit down too low. I can trim the front of the frame up there. I think I'm just going to weld it up there, up top like that. Make a couple gussets for the ends. Well, let me grind off some of that powder coating so I can weld on it. Man, guys, ain't she a beaut? like I said, I'll go in here and add some gussets, hold the weight, closes right where I wanted it to. Ready to go. Obviously that fan cooler don't really do anything. Alright, so I'm going to clean up the frame a little bit. I think I'm going to take it off right about here. Take it off. Alright, I got my framework painted. So there it is, there's the hood.